Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to find and use VPN settings. So if you are looking for VPN settings, you have to open the settings at first, then go to General, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice VPN and Device Management. Just tap to open, and here you can check your VPN. So as you can see, it is not connected. You can add VPN configuration. As you can see, VPNs can be set up to control the routing of certain network traffic. You can also read something about VPNs over here. So here you've got all information. If you'll tap on Learn More, you can get more advanced info regarding everything over here. Then let's go back, and once you add it, you can smoothly check your current VPN. So this is it. Actually, these are all set up for VPN. Obviously, you can sign into work or school account if you want to. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.